Okay, so we're back to our Foundation 5 framework grid system tutorial for web development. And in the last video, what we did was we went over some of the classes here from some of the grid classes, and we did a quick a demonstration of how you can change your layout depending on the size of the screen. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to since we have it a small -12 and then we have it a medium -6, and this is just for reference. So when you're looking in the browser, you'll know which class you have. Let's create a new row, and this row is going to have a div with a class of columns, and let's go for small -12 and medium -4, and I want 2 of those. Sorry, 3. So we have a div wrapped around 3 more divs, and each of those divs has some grid column classes. And I'm just going to do like I did for the other ones. I'm going to have that p tag with the class of what is it, callout and panel, and we'll just take note of which ones we're using. So I have the small -12 and the medium -4, and we'll save it and we'll check our browser just to make sure everything's right, and we are good. We can see that our 3 new divs here at the bottom are stacking on top of each other, and when we get to a medium-sized screen or a tablet-sized screen, they begin to break off into sections, 3 sections, each of them 4 columns. Now as I get to a larger screen, let's say for whatever reason, let's say I want these first 2 divs to stretch across the entire row, and I want to bump this last one down to a new section. We can achieve that really easily by adding a class for the large screen, and we'll put large -6, and we'll also do that here, and then on the last one we'll put large -12. And just for instructional purposes, I'm going to put it here too in each of my panels, just so we know what we're looking at. And then finally the last one. When I save it and I go back, when I bring the screen out to a larger size, you'll see that the first 2 divs have split into 2 columns, and the last one has been bumped down to another row, so to speak. So that's pretty much a quick brief overview of the basics of using the Foundation grid. In my next set of videos, what I'm going to go over is some more of the advanced features. Some of those include offsetting your columns. So let's say, for example, if this medium -6 column div was on the last row, and for whatever reason we wanted it to be offset and positioned here on the right side. Well, Foundation offers classes for that. Also, let's say that for whatever odd reason we want it to be on the left side for tablets. Well, Foundation comes with classes to pull that column over here to the left on tablets, and if we wanted to get even crazier, we can push it back to the right only for small screens. There are also a few more classes that I'll get into. Most importantly though, what we'll cover is the nesting of rows and columns. So I hope you enjoyed these last few videos, and I hope you look forward to the next few about the foundation grid system. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't liked or subscribed yet, please do, and we'll see you next time.